Hello student, hello student of 10th class biology. Now we try to dark reaction. After the light reaction, we try to follow the dark reaction. As you know that dark reaction is the second phase. Dark reaction is the second phase which occurs in the stroma. Stroma is the space present in double membrane structure of the chloroplast. डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर जो स्पेस होते हैं इसको हम लोग कहते हैं स्ट्रोमा. एंड डार्क रिएक्शन is occurs in stroma of the chloroplast and light reaction occurs in the granum या thylakoid. Okay, now we try to understand the process of the dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle, it is called Calvin cycle in the honor of the scientist Melvin Calvin. Melvin Calvin was the scientist who at first detected the dark reaction which occurs in the stroma. Therefore, in the honor of the Melvin Calvin, it is called Calvin cycle. Okay. Calvin cycle is completed into 3 steps. First is called carboxylation, second is called reduction, and third is called regeneration. Okay, Calvin cycle is completed into 3 steps. First step is called carboxylation, second stage is called reduction, and third stage is called regeneration. Okay, as you know that second phase which is called dark reaction and Calvin cycle which occurs after the formation of the product which are made in the light reaction, and the product is the requirement of the dark reaction, and this product are ATP and NADPH2. Okay, so by using the product of the light reaction NADPH2 and ATP, dark reaction will be a start. Light is not necessary for it. It occurs always in the absence of the light. That means at the night. First step, 1,5-biribulose phosphate. It is the 5 carbon compound. Okay, it has a capacity to fix the carbon dioxide into 6 carbon compound. 1,5-biribulose phosphate have ability to carry the carbon dioxide and convert into the 6 carbon compound. It is called the fixation of carbon dioxide into carbon compound. It is called carboxylation in the presence of rubisco. Rubisco is the coenzymes which carry both carbon dioxide as well as oxygen. Rubisco is the enzymes which are required in the fixation of the carbon dioxide into carbon compound. Rubisco have ability to fix the carbon dioxide, and also it have ability to carry the carbon dioxide as well as the oxygen. Okay. After the carboxylation, 6 carbon compound is formed, and these 6 carbon compound break down into PGA. 6 carbon compound break down into the 3 carbon compound known as BGA, yani phosphoglyceric acid. 2 molecules are formed of phosphoglyceric acid, and it is the stable first compound. PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, is the first stable carbon compound of dark reaction. Therefore, Calvin cycle is also called 6-3 pathway. Therefore, it is called C3 pathway. Okay. After the formation of PGA, NADP and ATP is required. For the reduction of PGA, 2 molecules of the PGA की formation के बाद NADPH2 and 1 ATP is required. ये required होते हैं for the reduction of PGA. Okay. अब क्या होता है, जब ये 2 कंपाउंड बनते हैं, 2 कंपाउंड PGA के 2 कंपाउंड बनते हैं, तो इसमें से कोई एक कंपाउंड any PGA, both of any, release 1 कार्बन. अब ये दोनों 2 PGA का फॉर्मेशन होता है. दोनों में से कोई एक PGA 1 कार्बन रिलीज कर देते हैं. Any one of both release 1 carbon. Okay? And after the loss of the 1 carbon, remains part consists of the 5 carbon compound. अब एक 6 में एक लॉस कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? It regenerate into the 1,5-bi-ribulose phosphate. जब एक लॉस कर देंगे तो ये फिर 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड क्या होते हैं? By using the ATP, convert into the 1,5-bi-ribulose phosphate. It is called regeneration, so that cycle will be continued again and again. So in the formation of the 1 mole of the glucose, it repeat 6 times. अब एक साइकिल में 1 कार्बन लॉस करता है तो उसको एक मोल ग्लूकोज बनाने में उसको 6 बार ये साइकिल रिपीट करते हैं. तब क्या होते हैं? 6 कार्बन लॉस करते हैं और ये दिस 6 कार्बन रिक्वायर्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द ग्लूकोज. तब 6 बार जब ये साइकिल रिपीट होता है तब क्या होते हैं? ग्लूकोज, 1 मोल ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मेशन होता है. ओके, तो 10 Calvin cycle is completed into 3 steps: carboxylation and fixation of carbon dioxide into the carbon compound in the presence of the coenzymes Rubisco. Okay, and after the formation of 6 carbon compound, 6 carbon compound break down into the two compound of phosphoglyceric acid and phosphoglyceric acid, the stable carbon compound. Therefore, Calvin cycle is also known as C3 pathway. Okay, and after the formation of PGA, 2 compound of the PGA, 1 ATP and 1 ATP is required for the reduction, and any one of both lost 1 carbon in 1 cycle, and if lost any compound of both 1 carbon, that means it forms 5 carbon compound, and 5 carbon compound by the utilization of 1 ATP convert into the 1,5-bi-ribulose phosphate. It is called regeneration. That cycle will be continued. Repeat 6 times for the formation of 1 mole of carbon glucose, food glucose. Okay, thank you.